Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Artistry by Jasnoor. So these are few of the pictures that a lot of you who have learned from my workshop, that is a 14-day workshop, and inspired by that on Independence Day you have created such lovely pieces and I really love them, so I thought I'd just share it in a video so that others can also get some ideas. So these are few pictures and there are a lot more which I could not include this time, but most probably I'll be making few more videos where I'll include all your work. So stay tuned and keep learning. Do subscribe to my channel, like the video because it's all your work, your efforts, and thank you so much for appreciating my workshops.